What's going on, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. In today's video, I'm unboxing and testing out the Neewer LiteTrip LT07 tripod, an affordable lightweight tripod that Neewer kindly sent me to check out. And as you see here behind me, it's looking quite cool, right? It's a beginner-friendly, super compact, and with the included phone holder, it's also perfect for behind-the-scenes content. So throw your old, basic tripod away and let's get into it. I'm pretty sure everybody has this old one, like when you start out, you know? All right, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get a carrying bag, the Neewer LiteTrip LT07 tripod itself, and a handy phone grip attachment. I already love this because I often shoot BTS content with my phone while I'm filming or taking photos. The build is mostly plastic with some metal reinforcements, which keeps it lightweight, but also surprisingly quite sturdy. It extends up to 177 centimeters, folds down really compact, and has a smooth 360-degree ball head for flexible shooting angles. I took the Neewer LiteTrip LT07 out for a test run while photographing my new motorcycle, and honestly, it did the job really well. I used both my mirrorless camera and my phone, and the setup was quick and easy. It's not built for heavy duty work or high winds, but for casual shoots, vlogs, or social content, it's a great option, especially at this price point. So, final thoughts. The Neewer LiteTrip LT07 is a fantastic beginner tripod. Lightweight, compact, easy to set up, and the phone holder makes it ideal for creators who want to film both their main content and behind the scenes footage. Once again, big thanks to Neewer for sending this tripod. And as mentioned, they did provide the product, and as always, you know, my opinions are my own. And yeah, I would definitely recommend the LT07 if you're starting out or just want a reliable tripod. And if you want to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments what kind of gear you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay happy, good luck.